Good morning to all. Today we will discuss family Umbelliferi and one of the dominant member of this family, Coriandrum sativum. This lecture is for practical point of view for MSc semester 3 Botany, paper 13, that is taxonomy of angiosperms. So we are discussing floral characters of family Umbelliferi or Apiaceae or Meaceae or the carrot family. So first of all, we point out some field identification characters of the members of this family. So they are herbs, leaves, aromatic, umbellate inflorescence, ovary inferior, fruit schizocarp, and stylopodium present. Now we come to the description of this is image of the plant. You all know this is coriander plant with flowers. We can see umbel inflorescence here. This is diagrammatic view of the same. This entire plant, LS flower, corolla lobes that shows the zygomorphic flower. This is gynoecium, which is showing inferior ovary. These are stamens. This is TS ovary. This is fruit, and these are floral diagrams of both the flowers, that is actinomorphic and zygomorphic. Now we come to the description. It is an annual herb and also a cultivated herb having branched taproot system. Stem is herbaceous, erect, cylindrical, branched, angular, green and aromatic. Some essential oil present in the stem and leaves of the plant. Leaf, ramal and colline, alternate, X stipulate, no stipule, petiolate or subsessile. Decompound with ovate or lanceolate segments. These are segments in the leaf. Upper leaves are more finely dissected with linear small segments. These are upper leaves. More finely dissected with linear small segments. Sheathing leaf base. Here, sheathing leaf base. Each leaflet is linear, entire, acute, unicosted reticulate venation and aromatic. Description of vegetative parts of the plant. Inflorescence is compound umbel. Here we can see this is compound umbel. Flowers ebracteate, pedicellate, pedicel. Complete hermaphrodite. Outer flowers are zygomorphic and inner flowers are actinomorphic. There are two types of flowers in the inflorescence of the uh, coriandrum. So outer flowers are zygomorphic and inner flowers are actinomorphic, pentamerous, epigynous, cyclic and white in color. Calyx, sepals 5, Gamosepalous, volvate. In outer flowers, the anterior sepal are large. In outer flower, which are zygomorphic, the anterior sepal is large. Anterior sepal are larger, green or slightly petalloid. Green or slightly petalloid. Corolla petals 5, polypetalous, bilobed. Lobes are equal in size in actinomorphic flower, but in zygomorphic flower, two posteriorly placed petals are equally lobed. Two lateral ones are unequally lobed. These are, and two anterior lobes are, and the anterior petals lobes are large and equal, white or bluish white in color. Androecium stamens 5, polyandrous, alternipetalous, alternate to the petals, filaments as long as the petals, dithecous, dorsifixed and introse. This is introse position, bending towards the ovary. Gynoecium bicarpellary, two carpels here. Syncarpus, inferior, I can see the position of ovary here, it is inferior. One ovule in each locule. Ovule pendulous, exile placentation. Styles 2, two styles. Styles arise from a nectar secreting disc called stylopodium. This is stylopodium, a nectar secreting disc. Stigma simple and capitate. Fruit is an oblong or subglobose cremocarp or cytocarp with a carpophore. This is fruit diagrammatic representation of fruit. Now, floral formula. Floral formulae. Outer flowers ebracteate, zygomorphic, bisexual, calyx 5 fused, corolla 5 free, androecium 5 polyandrous, and gynoecium bicarpellary, syncarpus and ovary inferior. Here the floral formula of inner flower, ebracteate, actinomorphic, hermaphrodite, calyx 5 fused, corolla 5 free, androecium 5 free, gynoecium 2, syncarpus and ovary is inferior. Now we come to the identification and systematic positions. As we all know, angiosperms, seeds enclosed within the ovary wall, presence of two cotyledons, then dicotyledons. Sorry, seeds enclosed in the ovary wall is angiosperm, then dicots, presence of two cotyledon, reticulate, Venetian, pentamerous flowers is dicot. Now polypetally, petals free. Calyx, gamosepalous, cup-shaped thalamus and inferior ovary make this flower under calyciflory. Inflorescence is umbel. Finally, dissected leaves. So the order is umbellales. Plant is herbaceous, outer flowers zygomorphic, fruit cremocarp, umbelliferae or apiaceae, aromatic leaves and stems, white or bluish flowers, coriandrum sativa. So this description is about coriandrum. Now we discuss some important, economically important plant. One very important plant is hing. Hing of commerce or asafoetida is the dried latex obtained after making incisions in the roots and root stalks of Ferula asafoetida. And one more species, Ferula narthex. Hing is an oleoresin and used as a condiment as well as a medicine. It stimulates respiratory as well as nervous and intestinal systems. So I found I feel कि इसको आपको मैं आपके साथ में इसको डिस्कस करूं. Hing belongs to the family Umbelliferae or Apiaceae. One more important plant is Conium maculatum, poison hemlock, is a deadly poison and was used to kill the great Greek philosopher Socrates. सुकरात को यही पॉइजन देके यही पॉइजन दिया गया था. And one more very important plant having medicinal value is Centella exotica, also known as Brahmi booty, is the king of medicinal plants. It is used as a brain tonic and also in madness and leprosy. And one more species of ferula is Ferula sambule, is used in curing hysteria. So Umbelliferae is very much economically important family. Apart from the vegetable condiments, it is medicinally also very, very important. Systematics and phylogeny of this family. So Bentham and Hooker placed Umbelliferae under umbellales. Pollen characteristics of Umbelliferae and Araliaceae show close affinities between these two families. However, Hutchinson opined that Araliaceae is a primitive family and should be placed under Araliales of Lignaceae, while Umbelliferae is a much advanced family, we all know, of Herbaceae. In reduction of calyx and bicarpellary syncarpous ovary with two separate styles, Umbelliferae resembles Asteraceae. Hutchinson opined that Umbelliferae is a derived from Saxifragales. However, Conquest believed that Umbelliferae originated from Sapiens. So there is um, uh, various opinions regarding the affinity of the Umbelliferae. I hope you understand the floral characters of Coriandrum and some more information about the family Umbelliferae. Thank you.